We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move, and this is what we get. And there is no much changes if you refer to my last analysis because we have been looking for the price to break 0.00334, the first level tag. The next level is 0.00357 because the price haven't tagged yet, and we need to see the breakout of this one. And if you refer to what I analyzed, my last analysis, the price was from here. That's why I mentioned if you get, we're looking for buy from now, since the price was from here. I mentioned any trade is a short-term trade. With the breakout of the previous top, we see start to correct. And if you refer to the indicators, we see we had a divergence. Okay, most of the chart for crypto market, we see the divergence based on 1 hour chart. That means still we can look for continuation. But the thing is, if they continue as a corrective move, similar to what we have here, following by divergence, mostly any trade is a short-term trade, and which we don't like this kind of the move. We prefer to get the bigger correction for continuation. It can give us better confirmation for continuation. Anyway, still we can look for continuation. And if we move to daily chart, the only thing is we need to confirm whether this is the start of the up move or we can expect this one turn to a bigger correction. This is what we need to confirm. That's why if he wants to look for buy from now, we need to be, I mean, any trade for buy, we'll take it, but we need to know about this possibility. That's why if we move to forward chart, we need to see the breakout after the price breaks 0.0357. We need to see the break. I mean, the next level we can look for is 0.00386. All right, but as we mentioned in my last analysis, still we need to be quite careful based on forward chart. This one can turn to flat. That's why we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this one, and we need to see the breakout of 0.00357 as a sharp move, not the corrective move. That's why if we see the correct continuation as a corrective, still we can consider this one as a flat. This is the where we need to be quite careful. All right, that's why for those trades within this one, we need to at least move our stop loss to break even. Okay, as I mentioned, there is no much changes, and whether we look for the next trade based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup. Then the best thing is if we move to 1 hour chart, and even based on a 1 hour chart, the only thing is whether we consider this one as a flat. Even if we want to consider this one as a flat, the only way we can look for buy if this one tend to flag by having entry above the top. All right, but we should know that every time, as we can see from here, the price broke the previous top, which was followed by the correction. How about if the price tag, since we got this one, and it start to give us a one more drop? That's why the best place to look for buy for those traders who get the trade from here. And right now, if they have to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even, because still we can expect to get one more drop. All right, that's why if you want to look for buy, the best thing is if we get one more drop following by next flag, we take the trade. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here, but we need to be really careful if we want to look for buy from here. Right, I don't think so we can call this one as a flat, as a running flat, but because what I'm expecting, if there is a continuation as a corrective move, that's why we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. It can give us better confirmation for continuation. Anyway, this is we can look for continuation. Any trade we consider as a short term if the price continues a corrective move, and we need to see the breakout of 0.00357. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.